The 2026 Subaru Forester is a beast. But there's one thing you need to know. Hold up. Is this really a Subaru Forester? The 2026 model is bolder, smarter, and more rugged than ever before. But before you fall in love with it, there's one thing you seriously need to know. Yes, it's a trail-ready beast with cutting-edge tech and a tougher-than-ever design. But there's a twist that might surprise even the most loyal Subaru fans. Welcome back, auto enthusiasts. Today we're diving into one of the most talked-about SUVs of the year, the 2026 Subaru Forester. Known for its legendary all-wheel drive performance and adventure-ready personality, the Forester has just entered a new era. But is this evolution a perfect leap forward? Or did Subaru make a bold move that might divide fans? Let's break it all down. The 2026 Forester gets a massive design upgrade. From the sculpted fenders to the bold hexagonal grille, Subaru is clearly leaning into a more aggressive, off-road-inspired look. New LED headlights, updated taillights, and chunky cladding give it that extra edge on rugged trails. The wilderness trim takes things further with raised suspension, all-terrain tires, and exclusive colors that scream, "Take me to the mountains." Inside, it's a whole new world. Gone are the basic dashboards of old. In comes a sleek 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen, updated infotainment with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a redesigned cabin with more premium materials. Rear passengers now get more space, and cargo capacity remains one of the best in its class. This Forester is finally catching up with tech-savvy competitors, and maybe even surpassing some. Under the hood lies the biggest surprise, and the one thing we warned you about. Subaru has stuck with its naturally aspirated 2.5L flat-4 engine, producing around 180 horsepower. While it's reliable, efficient, and great for daily driving, many fans were hoping for a turbocharged option, especially in the wilderness trim. That's right, no turbo yet. So while it looks and feels tougher than ever, performance lovers might feel just a little underwhelmed. On the bright side, Subaru has loaded the Forester with EyeSight 4.0, now featuring lane centering, adaptive cruise, and a 360-degree camera system. It's one of the safest small SUVs you can buy, no question. The 2026 Subaru Forester is an absolute off-road-ready upgrade with serious presence and next-gen features. But if you're chasing thrill and speed, that missing turbo may leave you wanting more. What do you think? Deal breaker or not a big deal? Smash that like if you love Subaru's reliability and rugged design. Subscribe now. You won't want to miss what's coming next.